This conference will now be recorded.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
So yesterday we already covered the problems related to LCM and GCD. Sorry, yesterday time and work completed now.
Yes, sir.
So today I am going to discuss the concept related to LCM and GCD. So in time and work, all of you remembered the relation between men, days, time. M1, D1,
Yes, sir.
T1
T1
by
work.
W1 is equal to M2, D2, T2 by W2. Hope all of you
Yes.
remember that formula. That
Yes,
is
sir.
the only one formula you have to concentrate while solving the problems related to time and work, and along with that efficiency related amount. So A is thrice as fast as B. Nothing but A is the faster. Did you remember? A can complete
Yes, sir.
3x
Yes, sir.
units of the work in one day. B can complete only x units of the work in the same day. Like that, you have to proceed. Okay. So write down LCM and GCD. LCM and GCD. So LCM means least common multiple. GCD means greatest common divisor. So please understand the basics first of all, because for AMCAT most important topic, least common multiple means LCM. 2, 4 are the numbers. 2, 4 are the numbers. Whenever they given 2, 4 are the numbers, this is the way you have to find the LCM for 2, 4. So this is called division method. This is called division method. Okay. So 2 1 are
2, sir. 2 1s are 2,
2,
2 2s are.
and again 2 2s are. Okay. So not possible but to continue the process. We have to multiply all the factors. 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4. That is the LCM for the given numbers. That is the LCM for the given numbers. Remember this example throughout the topic. Remember this example throughout the topic. So LCM of 2, 4 is what? 4. What about the LCM of 10, 20 similarly?
10 1s are 10 20, sir.
20 directly. 2, 4.
Yes, sir.
4 is the highest factor. Automatically 4. 10, 20. 20. 20, 120. What is the LCM? 120. Get it all of you. 30, 40. If they give 30, 40, then you have to go with the method. If they give 30, 60, no need to go with the method.
Okay, sir. 60.
Understood all of you? if they give 30 comma 60 comma 120, 30 comma 60 comma 120. So directly 120 is a multiple of 30 and 120 is a multiple of 60. Yes, directly 120 is the answer. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
30 comma 40 comma 120. 30 comma 40 comma 120. Here, whenever they given like this, remember 30 is one of the factor for 120. 30 is one of the factor for 120. In place of that, better to find the LCM for 40 comma 121. Remove 30 because 30 to 120 compulsory the LCM should be 120. So always we can remove the factors. Always we can remove the factors. So you have to find the LCM for 40 comma 120. Again 120 is the LCM like 2, 4, 3, 8, 15. If they give like this, my suggestion to you is out of 2 comma 4. Out of 2 comma 4. What is the LCM compulsory?
4, sir.
4.
4.
Remove 2. 4, 6, 8, 15.
4,
Similarly,
6, 6. Yes, sir.
4, 6, 8, 15. No need to find the LCM for again 2. 4 is a factor for 8 also.
Yes, sir.
8, 15. Instead of finding the LCM for 5 numbers, you have to find the LCM for only 3 numbers, ma'am. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. Remember this example throughout the topic, ma. So LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. What is the meaning of that? 4 is the LCM. 4 is the LCM least common multiple of 2 comma 4. So 4 is always divisible by 2 comma 4. Is it correct?
Correct, sir.
4 is divisible by 2 comma 4. So here divisible means always the numerator part. Okay. So indirectly in example point of view, the meaning of divisible means LCM. They never ask find the LCM of 2 comma 4. They always use the word divisible by. So what is the meaning of divisible by? LCM. So LCM is the numerator. LCM is in the numerator. Numerator is always divisible by the denominator. Nothing but LCM is the numerator value. Understood all of you? So find the least value. Find the least value that is exactly divisible. So least value that is exactly divisible by means LCM is the value. Clear? So write down LCM of 2 or more numbers is a number which is exactly divisible by the given numbers. Exactly divisible by the given numbers. 2 comma 4 LCM is 4, nothing but 4 is exactly divisible by 2 comma 4. 10 comma 20 LCM is 20, 20 is exactly divisible by 10 comma 20 numbers. Okay, next one GCD, greatest common divisor, or highest common factor. Both are same, GCD or HCF. Greatest common divisor or highest common factor. Okay, ma. First of all, you have to find the GCD of 2, 4. This is the way you have to go with the GCD. 2 is the smaller number and 4 is the larger number. So division method, 2 2s are 4. This process is continue up to the remainder should be 0. So whenever the remainder is 0, the last divisor 2. So 2 is acting as a GCD or SCF. 2 is the GCD or SCF. Nothing but the SCF of the SCF of 2, 4 is 2. The SCF of 2, 4 is 2. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. From that, what you understood, ma? Here, two is the GCD. 2 is always divides 2, 4. 2 is always divides, ma, not divisible by. So because the denominator always divides the numerator. Denominator always divides the numerator. So whenever 2, 4, so 2 is the GCD, or 2 is the HCF. GCD is always divides the numerator. GCD always divides the numerator. So whenever it is the numerator, it is the denominator. Denominator always divides, ma. Denominator always divides. So denominator always divides means that is the GCD. Find the greatest number. Find the largest number which divides the given numbers. Which divides the 2, 4. Nothing but you have to go with the GCD. You have to go with the GCD. So in our point of view, divisible by means LCM in any way, no problem. Divides means GCD. Divisible by means LCM, divides means GCD, ma. Okay. So I will explain both the methods to understand, because some of you forget how to find the GCD. So this is the right time to place, but we don't want to spend complete time to find the LCM or GCD. Understood? So there are two methods to find the LCM and GCD, factorization method and division method. Whenever they give the smaller numbers, we go with the factorization method. Whenever they give the larger numbers, we go with the division method. I will explain one problem with both the methods. Okay, so please understand. You can implement, depends on your convenient, ma. Write down. GCD of two or more numbers is a number which is exactly divides the given numbers. Exactly divides the given numbers. Exactly divides the given numbers. So write down the example. Find the LCM of find the LCM of 14, 18, 24, 30. Find the LCM of 14, 18, 24, 30. So first of all, we need to solve this example. We have to find the LCM by using division method. Write down division method. Write down division method. So 14, 18, 24 and 30. There is no factors, ma. Otherwise, you can remove that factors directly, no problem. So 2 7 jar, 2 9 jar, 2 12 jar, and 2 15 jar. Again 3 7. No, okay. 3 3 jar, 3 4 jar, and 3 5 jar. Not possible, ma. That is the final one. Now what will you do? Multiply all the factors. Multiply all the factors. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 7, 42. 42 into 3,
126.
126 into 4 into 5, 29.
Yes, sir.
So 126 into 2. 126 into 2. How much, ma?
2 2 5.
126 2 jar. 252,
2520, sir.
Yes, sir. 2520.
Do it fast, ma. Do it fast, ma. LCM is equal to multiplication of all the factors into 3 into those factors. Better to take a prime factor. 2 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 4 into 5. Into 7 into 3 into 4 into 5. 520. That is about the division method, ma. If they give any number, no problem. Write on the second heading, factorization method. Factorization method. Listen all of you, ma, how to find the LCM by using factorization method. 4 numbers are given now. First of all, write down the prime factorization of 14. So 14 is nothing but 2 7 jar. Nothing but 2 power 1 into 7 power 1. 2 power 1 into 7 power 1. So like that, do it fast, ma. Do it fast. 14 is nothing but
Yes, sir. 2 power 2 into 7 power 1.
so 14 is nothing but 2 power 1 into 7 power 1. 18. 2 into 9 ma. 2 power 1 into 3 power 2. 24. 8 into 3. 8 means 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. And 30. Smaller numbers, better to go for the factorization method. 30. 6 into 5 ma. 6 nothing but 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 into 5. 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Write down. Write down. LCM of the given numbers by using factorization method is equal to LCM of the given numbers by using factorization method is equal to LCM of the given numbers by using factorization method is equal to LCM of the given numbers by using factorization method is equal to multiplication of all different prime numbers with multiplication of all different prime numbers with maximum power. Multiplication of all different prime numbers with maximum power. So here 2 is one prime number, 7 is the different prime number, 3 is other prime number, 5 is the other prime number. So multiplication of 2, 3, 5, 7 with maximum power or lower power? Maximum power.
Maximum.
2 power 1, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, 2 power 1. Which one is the higher power?
2 power 3.
2 power 3. Again 3 power 2, 3 power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power is 2. 7 is only 1 and 5 is only 1. 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. So 8 9s are 72 into 7 5s are 35. 72 into 35. Do it fast. That is the meaning of multiplication of all different prime numbers with maximum power 520.
Two five two zero.
Yes. Next one. Find the LCM of decimal numbers. 1.6, 0.28, So while dealing with the decimal numbers, then it is very difficult to divide two numbers at a time, decimal numbers. That is the reason, first of all, we have to convert the given decimal numbers into integers by multiplying with 10 or 100. So here 1.6, 0.28, 3.2, 4.9. If you multiply each number with 10, 1.6 becomes 16 integer ma, 3.2 and 4.9 are also changed to integers, but 0.28 is not into integer na. Better to multiply with 100 to convert all in decimal numbers into integers. 1.6 100, 160,
28.
0.28 into 100, 28, 320, 490. Now the decimal numbers becomes integers, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you know how to find the LCM for the integers? And I already told 160 is a factor for 320. 160 is a factor for 320. You want to consider, no problem. If you want to remove, in place of finding the LCM for only three numbers, you can find ma. There is no change in answer. 160 is a factor for 320 ma. So write down. 28, 320, 490. Go with your own simplification. Once if you understand the concept, no problem. If you want to take 160, you can take, no problem. 214 there, 2 160s and 2 245. Again 5 ma, 14 is not possible. So 532s, 160,
14680, sir.
549s, 7 ma, 7 2s are 14, 32 is not a multiple, 7 7s are. You have to take 2 ma again, 2 1s are, 2 16s are, 7 as it is, because 7 is not a multiple. What is the answer, ma? Multiply all the factors.
15680, sir.
Good, ma. LCM of the given numbers is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 1 into 16 into 7. And moreover, there is no problem to multiply any number with 10 mark. Okay. So please keep away with 2 into 5. No problem. 15680 is the LCM for the integers, but the given values are decimals now. Initially you have to multiply with 100, now you have to divide it with 100. So 15680 by 100, nothing but 156.80. So 156.80 is the LCM for the given decimal numbers. Initially, if you multiply with 10, at the end you have to divide it with 10. If you multiply with 100, you have to divide it with 100 mark. 156.80. So integers completed, decimals completed. Now write down. Find the HCF of 120, 246 and 100. So this is the way you have to divide two numbers at a time. Write down the side heading division method. Find the LCM or HCF. Two methods are there: division and factorization. Division method. We can divide only two numbers at a time. I will take first number and second number as per your wish. 122, 46. 122 jar 240. 6 is the remainder. If the remainder is not equal to 0, if the remainder is not equal to 0, that remainder is act as a divisor for previous divisor ma. So 6 is not equal to 0 ma, nothing but 1. So 620 jar 120, the remainder is 0. So what is the last divisor ma? 6 is the last divisor. 6 is the GCD for only two numbers 120, 246. But we have the third number also. You have to check whether 6 is the divisor for 100 or not. So 6, 100, 6, 16 jar 96 ma. 4 is the remainder. So if the remainder is not equal to 0, that is the divisor for the previous divisor 6. 4 1 jar 4. Again the remainder is 2. If the remainder is not equal to 0, 2 is the divisor for the previous divisor 4. 2, 4. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. Stop the process now. The last divisor 2 is acting as a GCD for the given numbers. That is the answer. 2 is the GCD for the 3 numbers. Two is the answer. Write down the factorization method. Second heading, factorization method. Factorization method. Factorization method. So this is the way you have to go with the factorization method. First number 120. 5, 8 jar. Nothing but 3 into 5 into 8. So 3 into 5 into 8 means 3 power is 1, 5 power is 1, but 2 power is 3. 120 is equal to 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. That is the value. That is the value of 120. Similarly, 246 ma. 246. 246. 2 123 is 246. Again 3 4 is 12 and 3 1 is 3. 341 is. So 41 is a prime number. We cannot divide ma. We cannot divide it by any number. So 2 into 3 into 41. 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 41 power 1. Again ma 100. Again 100.
Power 2 into 5 power 2.
Yes ma. 25 4 jar. Everyone knows. Okay. So 25 4 jar is nothing but 4 means 2 square. 25 means 5 square. Four means 2 square and 25 means 5 square. Write down. Write down. SCCF of the given numbers by factorization method is equal to SCCF of given numbers by factorization method is equal to multiplication of all common prime numbers. Please understand the meaning difference between the previous one and this one. Multiplication of common prime numbers with minimum power or lower power. Multiplication of all common prime numbers with minimum power. So in 120 2 3 5 are there. In 246 2 3 41 are there. In 100 2, 5 are there. Which one is the common prime number?
2 sir. Least power 1.
2 is the common prime number. 3 is not a common among 3 numbers. 5 is not a common prime number among 3 numbers. 41 is not a common prime number. Did you observe? Only 2 is the common for 120, 246, 100 ma. So you have to take multiplication of all common prime number, that is only 2, and 2 power 3, 2 power 1, and 2 power 2. Which one is the minimum power? 2 power 1. So that is the answer, ma'am. Previously, multiplication of all different prime numbers with maximum power is the LCM. Now the product of all common prime numbers with minimum power is the GCD or HCF. Next one. Find the HCF of find the HCF of 3.2, 4.12, 3.2, 4.12, 1.3, 7. Here, you have to convert the decimals into integers by multiplying with 100. Better to multiply with 100 only, because 4.122 decimal places are there. Remove them. Multiplication with 100. 320, 412, 130, 700. You can take any two numbers for the division method. 320 and 412. You can take any two numbers, no problem. Smaller number is the divisor. So 321 here, 320, 412. So 92 is the remainder. 92 is the remainder. If 92 is not equal to 0, then 92 is the divisor from the previous divisor, 320. Ninety-two 3 are 276 ma. 320 to 76. 44 is the remainder. So 44 are 88. What is the remainder? 411 are 44. Remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, the last divisor 4, the last divisor 4, that is act as a GCD for only two numbers, 320, 412. But we have the third number and fourth number also. You have to check with whether the 4 divides 130 or not. 432 128, 432 is 128. The remainder is 2. The remainder is 2. So again, 2 is the last divisor. Na? We have the fourth number 700. 2 divides 700 directly 350 times. The answer is 2. So 2 is the GCD for integers. But the given values are the given numbers are decimals na. So 2 by 100 is the answer ma. 2 by 100. Nothing but what is the answer? 0.02. Yes. Next one. Integers completed. Decimals completed. Find the LCM or GCD. Hope all of you understood.
Sir.
So if they give the fractional numbers ma, then what will you do? Integers completed, decimals completed. Fractions A by B, C by D, E by F, then what will you do? Write down. Note. LCM of nearly 10 key points are there in LCM and GCD. Remember those 10 key points. LCM of A by B, comma, C by D, comma, E by F is equal to LCM of the numerators by LCM of the numerators by the GCD of denominators. The GCD of denominators. Nothing but what is the LCM of the numerators ma? ACE by ACE by ACE by ACE by GCD of
BDF.
BDF. That may be 2 fractions or 3 fractions or 4 fractions or 10 fractions ma. LCM of the numerators by the GCD of denominators. Second point. GCD. LCM of GCD of A by B, comma, reverse only. GCD of A by B, comma, C by D, comma, E by F is equal. Don't bear the formulas. Understand what is the change. Have you noted down? Give the answer to me immediately.
By 65, sir. Sir, infinity, sir. Hello.
What is the answer, ma? So LCM of 2349 by GCD of 35713. So 2349. 2 is a factor for 4 and 3 is a factor for 9. So directly may go for 4 into 9, 36.
Yes, sir.
36 by, and the denominator 35713, all are prime numbers. The highest common factor for the prime numbers is 1. 36 by 1, 36. Next one. All of you understood whenever they given the numbers
Yes, sir.
to find the LCM or GCD? Yeah, write down one general example. The LCM of three different numbers. The LCM of three different numbers is 1024. The LCM of three different numbers is 1024. Which of the following can never be? Which of the following can never be their SCF? Which of the following can never be their SCF? What is the LCM of 2, 4, ma?
4, sir.
What is the LCM of 2, 4?
4.
What is the GCD of 2, 4?
2, sir.
2. Okay. So remember, important point here. The LCM for the given set of numbers is 4 and the GCD for the same set of numbers is 2. Yes. May I say that LCM is always a multiple of GCD for the same set of numbers. LCM is always a multiple of GCD for the same set of numbers. Or GCD is a factor for the given LCM. LCM for the given numbers is 1024, ma. Without giving the numbers, if you want to find the SCF, the SCF should be a factor for 1024.
Yes, sir. 2048. Or
Yes.
a factor. Yes, sir.
So
8.
not 2048, ma. Okay. The HCF is one of the factor for 1024. Nothing
Yes,
but
sir.
less than 1024 only. 8.
Yes.
8 is a factor for 1024.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 32.
32 also factor. 124 not, sir.
256 is also a factor because 1024 is 2 power 10. 2 power 3 is a factor. 2 power 5 is a factor. 2 power 8 is also a factor. But 124 is a not a power of 2. 2 power 5 32, ma. 2 power 6 64. 2 power 7 is 128.
128.
So here 124 given. This is not possible. So which of the following can never be the GCD? 124 is the answer. Write down a note. Write down a note. LCM of the given numbers. LCM of the given numbers. LCM of the given numbers is always be a multiple of LCM of the given numbers is always be a multiple of GCD. Means GCD is always, GCD or SCF both are same. GCD is always be a factor of LCM. Most important point, ma. The answer is directly, ma. 124. Next one. Find the list number. Find the list number which should be added to 523 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 5, 6, 4 and 3. What is the meaning of divisible by? I already told. They never ask direct concept. Okay. Divisible by means LCM. Divisible by means LCM. First of all, find the LCM for 5643. Do it fast, ma. First of all, find the LCM for 5643. 5, 6,
60, sir. 60.
4, 3. So 3 is a factor for 6 now. So directly you can remove it, no problem. 2, 5 not possible. 2 3s and 2 2. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 32s are 60. That is the LCM. Okay. For example, ma'am, the meaning of that is LCM is divisible by the given numbers 5, 6, 4, 3. Say yes or no?
Are divisible by 6.
Divisible by yes. So if 60 is divisible by 5, 6, 4, 3, all multiples of 60 is also divisible.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the least number that should be added to 523? They asked, ma'am. Get it? Generally, we know 60 into 9, 540. 540 is also exactly divisible by 5643. To get
Yes, sir.
540, how much is added to 523 to get 540?
17, sir.
17 is the answer.
In-house. Now the bank can maintain in-house
Doubts, no? Thank you, ma'am. So if anyone has the doubts, stay here. Otherwise, leave for the day. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Abjal, understood, ma'am? All of you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Take care.
Yes, sir.
Vijay, get it. All the best.
So practice paper, sir.
Sorry, ma'am.
Practice paper.
Yeah, I received your email, ma'am. Okay, I will send it to you shortly. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, because I am also busy with some TCS training programs. That is the reason. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.